MZEIBO soundbar for TV review. Pros and cons. Pros. Easy to set up. Fabulous sound quality. Crisp and clear sound. Great mounting flexibility. Most customers liked the slick black design. It can work with both old and new TVs. Great for music lovers. The Bluetooth connectivity option is very useful. Very low price. Solid enough. Perfect for mid-size TVs. Cons. MZEIBO looks like a new brand. Key features. MZEIBO brand name. Bluetooth, HDMI, optical, auxiliary connectivity options. TV soundbar with 4 drives. Remote control. 50-watt output power. DSP sound technology. All the accessories are included. 31 inches size. Tabletop mounting type. 4.69 pounds weight. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.